Good morning, all of you. In last lecture of the magnetism, I already told about the discovery of magnet, natural magnet, magnetite, Fe3O4, or you can say that lodestone is there. But in this lecture, we discussed if a piece of iron is rubbed with the magnetite already told, Fe3O4. When a piece of iron rubbed with the magnetite, then it acquires the magnetic properties. When you rub this, for example, this is a piece of iron. When you rub with the magnetite, then it also become magnetized. Because magnetite is a natural magnet, permanent magnet is there. Yes, a piece of iron magnetized was called artificial magnet. This is a magnetite or a natural magnet. Or when you rub with the iron also get magnetized. That is called artificial magnet. The magnet are divided into two parts mainly. That is a artificial and the permanent magnet. Permanent, artificial. One is a temporary magnet, one is the permanent. One more classification, artificial and natural magnet. Natural magnet is a permanent magnet. But artificial is a maybe temporary, maybe permanent. Yes. Now, first of all, we discuss about the artificial magnet. A piece of the iron or the steel which which attractive and directive properties of lodestones are imparted is called artificial magnet. Already told, this is a magnetite ore. When you rub with iron piece or steel piece, due to rubbing they get the properties of the natural magnet, and this is the called artificial magnet. Yes, a piece of iron or a steel to which attractive and directive property of lodestone, the property of lodestone imparted to the iron and steel. Yes, iron and steel is called artificial magnet. Now one question, a very important question, yes, always come in our mind, yes, why the artificial magnet is preferred to the natural magnet? What is the reason behind this? Yes, artificial magnet for stronger than natural magnet. Yes, artificial magnet is stronger than the natural magnet. Yes, second, the strength of artificial magnet can be increased, but not those of the natural magnet. You are able to, for example, we take the example of electromagnet. See there. Electromagnet, yes, see there. This is the iron core, iron rod, you can say the iron core. This is the copper wire in the circle form. That is called solenoid. You already know. Solenoid. Sorry. Solenoid. So in solenoid, this is the copper wire. When you put battery on them, it show the magnetic behavior, artificial magnet, that depend upon current. When the circuit open, it not attract the iron pieces. So this is artificial magnet only. You can say that electromagnet. When you pass the current, it magnetize. Who found this? The one scientist is Oersted. When he take one compass here, compass, magnetic compass. This is a magnetic needle made up of magnet. When you put near the, it show deflection. It show deflection. It means when you pass the current from any wire, it produce the magnetism, magnetic effect, or a state. The same, if you want to increase the strength, increase the current. If you want to decrease the strength, decrease the current. Yes. But in natural magnet, you are unable to increase or decrease the Strength of the magnet. Yes, artificial magnet can be cast in a desired shape or size. Yes, artificial magnet, you take any, cast into any shape, any desire, any shape, any size, but not the natural magnet. Yes, student, not the natural magnet. I'm again repeat, artificial magnet for the stronger than the natural magnet. Second, a strength of artificial magnet can be changed, but the strength of the natural magnet you are unable to change. The artificial magnet can be cast in a desired shape or size, but not a natural magnet. Now we discuss the kinds of the magnet. Different kinds of the magnet. First is the bar magnet. Bar, like a chocolate bar, you know, same like this bar. It is not a delicious, student. Yes, a bar magnet. It is a rectangular steel bar, which are the end in marked with the letter N and O. S. N is a north pole, S is a south pole. Same like a positive, negative. Same like positive, negative. You already know about the word positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative. These positive, positive repel each other. Same charge repel each other. Yes, same charge repel each other. Same repel. Opposite charge is attract each other. Attraction is there. Same pole. North pole, north pole, south pole, south pole. Both repel each other. And opposite pole, unlike pole, attract each other. Same, student. Attract each other. This is the steel bar. The corner is at the north pole and south pole. The letter N4 shows the geographic north and S for the geographic south. Actually, what is the geographic south, geographic north in the earth? See the structure of earth. Straight axis, earth is rotating like this, little bit tilted. This is equator, this is the north pole, this is the pole, this is the equator, students. Actually, this is the geographic north and this is the geographic south. Earth also have their magnetism due to the currents produced in the earth due to difference in temperature. Lava is there, lot of things are there inside there. High pressure is there. This side is the south, this side is the north. Because the north attracted towards south, that's why only. If you hang one magnet in the earth, keep in mind their geographic north always toward the geographic north. The alignment of the magnet is a north pole toward the geographic north of earth and south pole toward the geographic south. Because of inside see, north attract each other. You not see the outside magnet, inside according to attract each other. That's why only. This is the reason behind. So this student topic is a very easy. In next lecture we discuss about the another kinds of the magnet. Thank you.